Hello viewers, let's learn how to solve inequalities using the question that we have on the board. And the question says, find the range of values of x of which 2 plus 5x over 2 minus 4 plus 3x over 5 is less than x plus 2. To solve this question, what I will do first is what? I will make everything, all the variables to be a fraction. That is 2 plus 5x over 2 minus 4 plus 3x over 5 is less than x plus 2 over 1. Now, the next thing that I will do now is I will find the LCM inclusive of the inequality sign. Okay. Now, the LCM of 2, 5, and 1 is what? Is 10. Okay. Now, 10 divided by 2, it will give us 5. So, I will use 5 to multiply 2 plus 5x. Okay, minus 10 divided by 5 will give us 2, meaning that I will use 2 to multiply 4 plus 3x. Then less than 10 divided by 1 will give us 10, meaning that I will use 10 to multiply x plus 2. Now, in the next step, what we will have is x. I will do 5 times 2, it will give us 10, plus 5 times 5x will give us 25x, minus 2 times 4 will give us what? It will give us 8. Minus times plus will give us minus. 2 times 3x will give us 6x. Less than 10 times x will give us 10x. And the 10 times 2 will give us 20. So the next thing that I will do now will be, I will collect the like terms together, which is 25x minus 6x. When 10x crosses this inequality sign, the sign will change to minus. We will now have minus 10x less than 20 minus 10 plus 8. Okay? Now, as it stands now, we have minus 6x minus what? 10x, which is minus 16x. So what we have here now is 25x minus 16x is less than 20 plus 8 will give us 28. 28 minus 10. Okay, so with what we have here, we have 25x minus 16x, which is 9x. 9x is less than 28 minus 10. It will give us what? 18. Now, what I will do next is I will divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is 9. So 9x divided by 9 is less than 18 divided by 9, which is this and this will cancel out. We will now have x is less than 18 divided by 9 will give us what? 2.